Greetings all. Welcome to episode number 50 of Monday Morning Motivation, and topic for today is power of daily routines. As the saying goes, you are what you do every day. So let me talk about three things about the daily routines. The daily routines set the tone. Say, for example, the morning routines of your day, it creates a purpose and positivity for the entire day, and it creates your mindset and improves your productivity for the day. Similarly, even if you have a late night routine saying that you are going to do a 5-minute meditation before you sleep, or think about what are the work you're going to do for the next day before you sleep, all these routine is going to set the tone for that day or the following day. That's point number one. Point number two is discipline over motivation. Motivation is not limitless, my friends. We cannot be motivated all the time. But when you have routines, the routines create discipline, and the discipline can sustain progress even when the motivation wanes. So discipline over motivation is point number two. The point number three is your future self is going to thank you if you do the daily routines, majorly with respect to health and definitely with respect to wealth as well. The daily habits, you drinking water every day in the morning, or you going for a walk 30 minutes every day, or you lifting weights, or anything you do with respect to your health, is your future self is going to thank you that you did this routine when you are at the young age in your 20s, 30s and 40s. And same goes for the wealth, the habit of saving, the habit of tracking your expense. So what you do every day with respect to health and wealth is going to decide the quality of life you are going to live after your 50s, 60s and 70s and 80s, my friends. So the third point is your future self is going to thank you. To summarize, daily routines set the tone, discipline over motivation, your future self will going to thank you. Thank you once again. With all your support, we reached the 50th edition of the Monday Morning Motivation. If you like the video, share it with your friends. Signing off, Subramanian, Chandramouli.